Hi, English 3 speaking task. My name is Sergio Andrés Sánchez Urbano. I am 24 years old, Faculty of Engineering, System Engineering. I study System Engineering at the Compensar University Foundation. My two favorite songs. Till Till I Collapse, the singer of the song Element. This music is hip hop rap type. The words to describe this song are 1. Inner strength, 2. Personal motivation, no given wood and feelings. I like this music. I excuse me. I like this song because it motivates me not to hype out and motivate me more every day. The song reminds me of what I did been to run in my life. This song important to me because my older brother taught I to me a song video. Two song, See You Again. The singer of the song Wiz Khalifa and Charlie Puth. This music is hip hop rap type. The words to describe this song are remember, love, honest, friends, and important people in of life. I like this song because it reminds me of friends who are no longer with us. This song reminds me of the Fast and Furious movie. This song is important to me because I am a fan of Fast and Furious movies. Some video. Dance. Bye.